Hello, everyone. Today we will be talking about my failed attempt at making a sonic toothbrush. And this thing right here is based on a very popular Chinese sonic toothbrush, and I'm going to put a picture of it on screen right there. And I've been using toothbrushes of that style for almost 2 years, and they always they're always very consistent in their design. They always have a battery compartment and a motor which has a weight on it, and this little shaft which directs vibrations into the brush head. And in my case, the weight on this thing is just a cut off piece of some sort of, I think it was a CD or a DVD holder, but because of this, the toothbrush doesn't really vibrate very well. I mean, it sounds pretty impressive, but it's all bark, no bite, as you'd say. The vibrations are very nice and loud, but the toothbrush head barely even moves at all. Even when I hold this thing down, which significantly reduces the noise, it doesn't move. Yeah, the proper sonic toothbrushes actually have a, you could see the bristles vibrate when the motor was turned on. And also, the control circuitry of this thing is, non-existent. It's just one of these little click-on, click-off switches, which goes into the battery compartment. And the battery compartment right here, I'd say, is quite clever. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So here is the spring. Here is my battery, which is an 800 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery, which is in the same package as a regular AA. And down there is a 1 euro cent coin, which, it's smaller than a US penny or a US dime, and it perfectly fits this hole. And it makes contact with this little wire, which goes into the switch through the motor, and then it goes back up this wire through the spring and back into the battery. It's a very simple circuit, but eventually I hope to use a proper PWM speed controller circuit with a nice big transistor to pulse the motor in such a way so that the speed will be easily controllable through a potentiometer or anything. But anyway, if I was just to improve this, of course, the one thing to do would be to add more weight to this thing, but I'm not really sure how. I mean, I guess I could melt a bunch of solder and then somehow attach it to that little thing right there, but it would definitely be quite tough to do.